In 1971, a Uruguayan rugby team, along with family and friends, embarked on a chartered flight to Chile. However, tragedy struck when their plane crashed high in the Andes Mountains, leaving the survivors stranded in a remote and desolate landscape. The survivors faced numerous challenges: frigid temperatures, lack of food and water, and the treacherous terrain of the mountains. With little hope of being rescued, they resorted to extreme measures to stay alive, including consuming the flesh of deceased passengers. Days turned into weeks, and hope began to fade. Many considered the situation dire and believed rescue was impossible. But among the survivors, a small group clung to hope and refused to succumb to despair. With no knowledge of their exact location, two of the survivors, Nando Parado and Roberto Canessa, decided to embark on a treacherous journey in search of help. They faced freezing temperatures, avalanches, and exhaustion as they traversed the rugged mountainous terrain for 10 days. Finally, after a grueling ordeal, Nando and Roberto encountered a Chilean farmer who alerted authorities about the crash and the remaining survivors. A rescue mission was launched, and 72 days after the plane crash, the remaining survivors were finally rescued. The story of the Andes plane crash survivors, known as the Miracle of the Andes, is a testament to the extraordinary resilience of the human spirit. It exemplifies the power of hope, determination, and the will to survive even in the most dire circumstances. Throughout their ordeal, the survivors faced unimaginable physical and emotional challenges. Yet they refused to give up, drawing strength from their bonds of friendship and their unwavering belief that they would be rescued. The story of the Andes survivors serves as a profound reminder that even in the darkest moments, hope can be found. It demonstrates the incredible strength and adaptability of the human spirit when faced with adversity. The survivor story inspired millions worldwide, emphasizing the importance of resilience, unity, and never giving up, even when all seems lost. It is a powerful reminder that hope can emerge from the most desperate situations, and that the human spirit is capable of incredible courage and perseverance.